Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa and I am a pharmacist health coach, and I recently moved to a new state, into a brand new apartment, and I am sharing the process with you guys, sharing my thoughts along the way, and also just settling in and how I'm organizing things. And in today's video, I am sharing with you how I am setting up and organizing my bathroom. So the reason that I want to make this video is to just share a bit of the mindset that I have, not just with like setting up my bathroom, but just setting up my environment in general. So what I want to do is create systems for myself so that my apartment helps work like for me and with me, and me not just constantly like running after having to clean up and reorganize and where is everything, and it just is very stressful when you live that way. So, and I used to live that way. So I was like, this time around, I'm doing things different. I am going to create systems. I'm going to have things like in a designated spot, and I'm going to stay organized. And this way it's going to help me save a ton of time, and time is money. And it's also going to help me be more productive, which is great since I work from home. So without further ado, let's get started. I don't know if any of you can relate to this, but for years and years, I would organize my space and then just let life happen, and things got messy and just built up. And it got to a point of stressing me out. And once I was stressed out enough, then I would break down and just spend an entire day reorganizing everything. And since moving, I have realized that I just do not want to live this way anymore. I don't have the time, or quite frankly, want to spend any of the free time that I have, that is precious, reorganizing any of my stuff. Additionally, looking back on it, as things became more and more disorganized, and before I would actually break down and reorganize it all, I had to spend more time looking for things that I needed. I felt more stressed because I couldn't easily find what I was looking for. And I would even spend more money buying things that I already had on hand, but I just couldn't find. So I would end up with doubles, and I didn't even realize it until like months down the road. So this year, in 2026, I am being intentional with being more organized so that I can experience less stress, be more mindful and productive with my time, as well as my energy and my finances. So today I am starting with cleaning my bathroom. Since I just moved into this apartment, I wanted to clean everything first, and that includes the mirrors, countertops, drawers, shower, toilet, the floors, the washing machine and dryer. Since those are in my bathroom, I am taking care of them at the same time, and that is quote unquote my laundry room, but it's in my bathroom. And yeah, so then after that, I went to setting up my countertop. I don't want to see too much, that would look like clutter, which stresses my brain out, but I do want to have the essentials that I use all the time visible. So that includes hand soap, my toothbrush, and then I have just some like products, and I was able to squeeze them all into this cute like ceramic dish that I had bought from Target a few years ago. And so that has like hair care products, my non-toxic fragrance, deodorant, mouthwash, and then I have a few essential oils as well. And then I am also setting up my cat's stuff in the bathroom. There is room for it there. So that's going to be his litter box, food and water dishes. And so I want to also keep a diffuser in my bathroom to act as an air freshener. Originally, I wanted to use this like plug-in diffuser, but because of the toothbrush, it just wouldn't quite fit, and I didn't have too many outlets in my bathroom, unfortunately. So I ended up putting that in the kitchen, and then I used a cordless diffuser for my bathroom. And I usually use like lemon or citrus fresh essential oil blend for that. For my beauty products, I have my glow serum, which I needed to remake. And then I also have my makeup products, which I keep in that brown bag. And that pretty much finishes up the countertop. Everything that I need, like every single day, just to quickly reach for is there, but it's still contained to where it doesn't feel cluttered or messy. So really good. And once I had finished that, it was time to tackle the drawers. And you guys, this was the most overwhelming part of it all, because I literally threw everything into these drawers that is supposed to be in my bathroom when I first got into this apartment. And so step number one was taking everything out, throwing it into another box, an empty box, and sorting it while I sat on my living room floor. So I got these like cute storage bins from Home Goods. I showed you guys in a previous video when I was like setting everything up and doing some unboxings, and there's a variety of sizes, and my goal is to use these to help me organize all of my stuff that goes into these drawers. So I open the drawer and it's just very quick to see what I have and to get whatever I need. So I cleaned them first with my thieves cleaner. That's my all-purpose cleaner that I use to clean my entire apartment. And then I got busy filling up all of the storage containers. And some of the baskets that you see came from Ross as well. So in the cabinet that is above my toilet, I have some of my toilet paper, feminine products, some carrier oils, shavers, excess makeup and hair care products, bars of soap for the shower, bath bombs, an extra shower liner, and then anything like travel sized or samples that I've received from orders that I've placed. In the drawers are my hair dryer, curling iron, and straighteners. I also have my toothpaste, floss, Q-tips, hairbrush, hair accessories, sunscreen, as well as some nail polish. And then I also got to put up my shower curtain and liner. Now I don't have much that I want to put underneath the sink just yet, but I am sure that with time that will fill up. So here is what everything looked like once I was all done. Here is the cabinet right on top of the toilet. And then here is underneath the sink. It's pretty empty, as I mentioned. And then here are the drawers. Look at like the work of art that this is. I can't even begin to tell you just how nice it is to see it like this. And I actually filmed these clips a few weeks ago, and I have been living with this organization system for a few weeks now, and everything is still where I put it. I can easily find things, and now I can quickly clean my bathroom each week without having to track things down and reorganize it all as well. So it saves me tons of time, and not only just time when I'm cleaning, but just time during the week while I'm living and working and doing everything I gotta do. And then I wanted to just share, so I put all my cat stuff along the wall. He's got his food. I have since upgraded him to a real dish, and he's got his litter box. I have his like trash can as well. And then I just wanted to share a little clip of him because he's just so cute. He loves to sleep right next to me on my bed. He's adorable, and there's just no words for the cuteness level. It's just like a 12 out of a 10 right there. And then before we are done, I just wanted to quickly share with you guys the laundry room. So I have the washer on one side and the dryer on one side. On the washing machine side, I have my DIY stain stick and my laundry detergent. I also have all of my kitchen towels up there. And then on the dryer side, I do have all of my like bathroom towels as well as an extra set of sheets. And then I also have a rack with some hangers because I do not dry all of my clothes. I do hang some up. So that is how I have organized my bathroom. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video and getting to see just how I am setting up my environment for productivity, for peace and calm, for just everyday living. And it is really important to me to have a space that not only feels like comfortable, inviting, and like calm and peaceful, but also super productive as well, because I do work from home. I am curious to know, what room in your home would you like to do this kind of setup in? Or have you already done this kind of setup in your home or in a particular room in your house? I would love to know, so let me know in the comments below. And if you guys are curious about any of the things that I've shown in the video, I will try to include links to as much as I can find down in the description box in case there's anything that you saw that you liked and wanted to get as well. But that is all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. The majority of the people who watch my videos are actually not subscribed. So definitely click that button. It's totally free to do so. And that way you know when I post a new video and you're part of my community. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Stay well, friends.